Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 3, exercise 9.2, class 9 general mathematics. It is given here P and Q are any 2 points lying on the sides DC and AD respectively of a parallelogram ABCD. Show that area APB equal area BQC, which means we have to prove that area of triangle APB equal area of triangle BQC. We have to prove this one. The diagram is not given here. We have to draw the diagram first, then we will solve this one. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Look, student, this is a diagram ABCD parallelogram. P and Q are any point lying on the side DC and AD respectively. So look, P and Q are the points. Now after that, student, we have joined QC and QB, and here AP and PB. So now in the diagram APB is a triangle and BQC is a triangle. We have to prove that area of APB and BQC are equal. So this part is given. I have written from the book, and this is to prove also given in the book. Now I will write here construction, the next part. Now student, next part is construction. Construction, it is so short from construction. Then now we join AP and PB and QC and QB. Look here, AP and PB and QC and QB. So next part is proof. Now student, I will start proof here now. Proof of this question. So first of all, student, look, in this diagram ABCD is a parallelogram and AB parallel to CD, AD parallel to BC. So I will write here ABCD is a parallelogram. LLGM means parallelogram. Then I will write AB parallel CD and AD parallel BC. Now student, just after that, look, triangle APB and ABCD. So having AB is the common base. I repeat again, triangle APB and ABCD parallelogram having AB is the common base. So I will write here in triangle APB and parallelogram ABCD. Here I will write area triangle APB equal half area ABCD. Now what is the reason here? I am just writing the reason here now by the side. The reason is the triangle and the parallelogram are on the same base between the same parallel is equal to the half the area of the parallelogram. This is the second theorem. Already we have proved, and already I have given the link into the group. So this is the second theorem. Depending on this theorem, look, triangle APB and ABCD is a parallelogram having same base AB, and between the same parallel means AB and CD. So area triangle APB equal half the area of the parallelogram ABCD. This is our equation number 1. Now student, next part is triangle BQP. BQC. So I will write here, in triangle BQC and parallelogram LLGM, parallelogram ABCD. Look here, in triangle BQC and ABCD parallelogram, BC is the common base and between the same parallel means AD and BC. I repeat again, triangle BQC and the same parallelogram ABCD. BC is the common base and between the same parallel means AD and BC. Here also the area of triangle BQC equal the half the area of triangle ABCD. So again I will write here, area triangle BQC equal half area ABCD, and region is also same here. So student, here also I will write the same region. First you give the third bracket here, then the same region I will write here, the triangle and the parallelogram are on the same base between the same parallel is equal to the half the area of the parallelogram. This is the region, and this is our equation number 2. Okay student, now write here from 1 and 2. Look, in equation 1 half area ABCD, in equation 2 half area ABCD, which means these two sides these two sides are equal. So I will write here from 1 and 2, area triangle APB equal area triangle BQC. Hence proved. Now student, look once, area triangle APB equal area triangle BQC. This is our proof in these questions. So already we have proved this one. Now student, we are going to solve question number 4, exercise 9.2, question number 4, figure 9.16. This is the figure. ABCD is a parallelogram is given here. We have to prove area APB. Look here, area APB and area PCD. Area PCD equal half area ABCD, half the area ABCD. First one, and second one is area APD, which means this part, and area PBC means this part, equal area APB plus area PCD. So here in these questions we have to prove two questions. One is Roman 1, area APB plus area PCD. APB and PCD equal to half area ABCD, and APD plus PBC equal area APB plus area PCD. Okay, so these are questions. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Student, so this is the diagram of question number 4, 9.2. ABCD is parallelogram, and in the question it is given that through P draw one line. So I have drawn one line like this, and here given GH. Now here also I will give one name. Now look, here I will give E and F. Through the point P I have drawn one line which is parallel to AB and parallel to CD, and through P also we draw one more line which is parallel to AD and parallel to BC. So this part would be our construction part. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. So student, first I will write here given part. Given. So what is the given part here? ABCD is a parallelogram. So I will write here ABCD is a parallelogram. LLGM means parallelogram. That is AB parallel to AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, and here AD parallel to BC. I repeat again, given part ABCD is a parallelogram, AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. Next part, to prove. So what we have to prove here? To prove is Roman 1, area triangle APB plus area triangle PCD equal half area ABCD. This is the first one. And Roman 2, area triangle APD plus area triangle PBC equal area triangle APB plus area triangle PCD. These two we have to prove here. Now student, the next part would be construction. So I will write here construction. This is construction. Now here I will draw one line EF. Right here students, we draw EF through 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 P and HG through P, so that EF parallel AB and EF parallel CD and HG parallel AD and HG parallel BC. Now student, look here that we draw EF through P and GH through P, so that EF parallel to AB and EF parallel to CD, and here HG parallel to AD and HG parallel to BC. This is our constructions. Now next part would be proof. Now let's have a look how to prove this one. Proof. Now student, look, in triangle APB, which means this triangle APB and ABEF, after drawing this line, ABFE is a parallelogram and APB is a triangle. So here in triangle APB and ABFE, AB is the common base and EF and AB are the parallel. So area of triangle APB equal half area of ABEF. Now I will write this one here. In triangle APB and parallelogram ABFE, here area triangle APB equal half area ABFE, and the reason would be here I will write the reason that student, this is the reason triangle and the parallelogram are on the same base between the same parallel are equal to the half of the area of the parallelogram. This is our that theorem number 2, and I will take this one as equation number 1. Similarly, this is the short form of similarly, LLRY. Similarly, area triangle, now this one PCD. So area triangle PCD equal half. Now look, area triangle PCD, here EF parallel to CD and having the same base CD, between the same parallel EF and CD. So area triangle PCD equal area EFCD, half the area EFCD. So I'll write here area triangle PCD equal half area EFCD. So right here EFCD, and region would be same, this region. Look, the same region, triangle and the parallelogram are on the same base between the same parallel are equal to the half the area of a parallelogram. Now look here, EFCD is a parallelogram, PCD is a triangle, so having the same base CD between the same parallel EF and CD, so area of triangle PCD equal half the area of EFCD. So here I have written this one, our equation number 2. Now look, from 1 and 2, if we add APB and PCD, these two triangles, so area ABFE and area EFCD, if we add these two, we'll get ABCD. So now I will add 1 and 2. Now adding 1 plus 2, which means equation number 1 and equation 2 I will add. So here would be area triangle APB plus area triangle PCD equal half area ABFE plus half area that EFCD. Now student, look. Now student, if we add ABFE and EFCD, now if we add these two, we'll get ABCD. I repeat again, ABFE and EFCD. So ABFE is the half of ABCD and EFCD is also the half of ABCD. So if we add these two half portion, we'll get ABCD. So just I'm doing here now that addition of equation number 1 and equation number 2. Look here, equation 1 and equation 2, if we add these two, half of FE and half of EFCD, if we add these two half, we'll get ABCD. Now student, just add all this. Here I will take half common from here, half, then area ABFE plus area EFCD. Now half area ABFE plus area EFCD, if we add these two, we'll get ABCD, which is our first proof. So here I will write area triangle APB plus area triangle PCD equal this one. This is our first proof. Now student, for Roman 2, look here, AHGD or ADGH is another parallelogram and HGCB is another parallelogram. Why? Because we draw GH through P and GH parallel to AD and GH parallel to BC also. So here in this case, triangle APD having the same base AD between the same parallel GH and AD, and in this case triangle BPC or CPB here having the same base BC between the same parallel GH and BC. So student, I will write here in triangle APD this triangle and parallelogram AHGD or ADGH, whatever we can take, ADGH. So here area triangle APD equal half area ADGH. Here would be the reason is triangle and parallelogram on the same base between the same parallel are equal to the half of the area of the parallelogram. So this could be our equation number 3, and area triangle PBC, look here student, PBC having the same base BC between the same parallel GH and BC. So here angle PBC equal half area HGCB. This is also having the same reason, triangle and the parallelogram. So I will write here the reason now. Look student, the reason triangle and the parallelogram are on the same base. On the same base between the same parallel are equal to the half of the area of the parallelogram, and this could be our equation number 4. Now look here student, this is ADGH is the half of ABCD and HGCB is the half of ABCD. So if we add these two, 3 and 4 here, now add equation number 3 plus equation number 4. So here area triangle APD plus area triangle PBC, here half area ADGH plus half area HGCB. Now here if you take half common, so area ADGH plus area HGCB. Now if we add these two, look here, ADGH and HGCB, so we'll get ABCD. So again here half area ABCD. Now student, look, half area ABCD equal to area triangle APB plus area triangle PCD, and here area triangle PAPD plus area triangle PBC equal to half area ABCD. So in place of half area ABCD, I will write this one, area triangle APB plus area triangle PCD. So we will write here now area triangle APD plus area triangle PBC equal area triangle APB plus area triangle PCD. Reason is that, we'll write here the reason, that area triangle APB plus area triangle PCD equal half area ABCD. So this is the ultimate answer, hence proved.